Hi everyone, welcome back. Before we start, make sure to like this video, share it and subscribe to the channel. Now in the previous videos, we built a chatbot using functions, but our chatbot still doesn't remember anything. So in this video, we will add memory by storing the user's name. So for that, you can use any online compiler. I'm using online Python compiler. You can use VS Code as well if you have. So now let's start coding. First we create a main function chatbot, creating def run chatbot. I've created this function. Now we need to create a variable to store the username. Initially it will be empty. So now we need to loop so that the chatbot keeps running. For that we can use while. So I've just added it, take input from the user and convert it to locus. So this is the usual step which we usually doing from the past videos. So let me add it. Now I need to add a logo one. Now we check if the user is telling their name. For example, my name is Krishna. If my name is so and so, like that. Now we are going to add some condition here. So my name is, so in user input. But is there in user input? So we extract. Usually we extract the name by removing my name is from the sentence. Okay, for that you just need to follow me. Name equal to user underscore input dot replace. So here I'm just doing my name is just, I'm just keeping an empty string out here, and just now I'm stripping it. I'm doing a strip here. Now we respond using the stored name. So for that I'm just printing this here. So I'm just printing f out here and the bot. So nice to meet you. So for here I'm just adding name out here. So just a name and just added. Now let's handle the greeting like hello also. So the other which usually we add. So I'm just doing elif condition again. So here we have elif. So inside elif I'm just adding user input equal to double equal to, and I'm just adding hello here. So inside this we can just return, or we can just print something related to the bot also, like I'm just printing hello. So here, hi there. I'm just adding hi there. This is the one message which I'm adding, and now I'm just closing the bot. I almost we have done. So you can add a number of prompts here, a number of messages, or you can try your level best here. And mostly here I'm just adding a print statement for the else block. So what I can add is like so I'm not understanding. So this is a message. So it's completely depends on you, whatever the message, if you want you can add. And one more thing we forgot it to add, one is this else elif block where we need to break the statement, right? So for that, if user input equal to something like exit, if user enters exit, then we need to print one thing. So I'm just printing execution ended, and post this I'm just breaking it. So this is the related things we needed. So finally we call the functions to start it. So for that we need to just call this function. So run chatbot. So this is the function which I need to call. I'm just called it. Click on this run to test it, and just now you can add my name is Krishna. So right. So you see, nice to meet you, Krishna. It is recognize the name. It remembers your name. That actually means successfully added the memory. This makes the chatbot more interactive and smart. In the next video, we will make it even better. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.